I hope you guys are hungry because today I have a wide spread of food for you guys. Everything is all traditional, Min inspired. Highly requested this dish, which is fried intestine. This is a very, what do you call it? Very delicious. It is one that you would see at every Min ceremony. It's not one that you want to eat when you're on a diet, but it's very delicious and you will see how to make it in my video today. So these are the intestines and she's getting ready to clean it. So she's going to put lemon on top of the intestine. And then she's going to put salt. And then it's just gonna clean it.
So na bo miền tháp tung trang bo nhận tung trang nó chủ đóว่าgiáo dình như hoặc bên chuối ở kết cho nên manao xả chân giáo nôm thao dình rồi bo sao ta nhận chuối.
And after you clean, you take the lemon out and then you rinse it with water.
Giáo dình nhau đóว่าgiáo dình nó chuối nhé đóว่าtung trang nó vừa nhận nó phải cái giáo dình kết kết nào kết kết giáo nôm nồng như được thành nồng ôm dình giáo dình chuối.
Now we have to boil it before we actually cook it. So we're gonna blanch it.
จูดูว่าจังว่าโจ้มป่าบัวโจ้หยันป่าช้ามป่าดูว่าสวยเจ็บตังหรอที่เจ้ารวมบริเจ็บตัง
So we're gonna boil it for about 20 minutes and we're gonna take it out and cut it and then we're going to stir fry it. So the intestines are cooked and they're done and you want to take them out. When you take the intestines out, you want to make sure that you rinse it and clean it and then make sure that it cools down and then you can cut it. Now she's going to cut the intestine before she fries it.
คนน่ะเจ็บจังว่าตุ้งจ้าจังบ่จ้าเลยดูว่าเจ็บไปจันยี่ซ้อชดตาเลยแดงจ้าจริงแต่แดงกัดไปนี่ซะจังเช้า
So you add the intestines, no oil, and you saute it. You want to cook it until it's completely dry, and then we're going to add the herbs. Now we're cooking the intestines. We just put in ginger, shallots, chicken bouillon, and this is a seasoning packet. It's Maggie Magic all-in-one seasoning. Add a little oyster sauce. Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. Little fish sauce. And then once it's completely dry, we're going to add cilantro and green onions to it. And then it's done. So this is the intestine dish with ginger, garlic, lemongrass, shallots, and it's dried. It's really good and it looks like this. It's delicious. It's delicious. So good. So good. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Cooking with Kim with all these traditional dishes. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope to see you guys on the next episode. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Have a good day. Bye.